Kaya is going to show you something I picked up, and it's not a tool. It's for them. You going to show them how this works? Show them it first. Show them the box first. See, what is it?
It's a bank.
It's a mailbox bank.
And you can put one right in the bottom.
Cool, huh? And what is a U.S. mailbox?
Yeah, a U.S. mailbox.
Got a big ding in here. Yeah, see? Cool, huh? No, we don't put bolts in it. I mean, it probably fits, but don't clog it in there. Put all the money in there. All my money. Anyway, I was in Malone, picked it up for them. I always wanted one of these things. They're really cool. Put the money in and... Maya, you going to put some money in there too?
No, I should not. Yeah.
Give her some money to put in there. Give her some money to put in there.
Turn it around again.
Well, the camera's got to see, so you got to turn it sideways so she can put in there. Turn it sideways. Sideways, Kyle. Turn it sideways. There you go. Turn it some more. Oh my God, these are brats. I swear.
No, not.
Put the door down. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, this is the mailbox extraordinaire video. What's the matter, you? Oh well, we got no more money to put in there. So we're going to end the video right now. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Come.
Watch all our videos.
Yeah, subscribe too.
And eat some.
Hello YouTube. We're in the middle of a cat fight here. And this one doesn't want to stop making noise, which is funny. Yeah, garage gum. Okay, and what did I pick up for Bo to use that you're going to fight over in a minute?
This.
No, not that. That's not what I picked up for you. Show them the big blue thing.
Okay.
Show them it. What is it?
It's a mailbox.
It's a mailbox. From what mail?
Money.
Well, you got to show them. All they see is the back side. Look.
Money.
Show them the front. Show them what it does.
Money.
Shh, Kaya. Kaya. No, don't. That's not how you open it. You got to put money in it. Oh my God, you kids. Put the screwdriver down. It's not going to work. Shake it. I fixed it. Why didn't you going to show them something? You're just going to try to break into it. I'm turning this off.
No. Yeah, first let me take out.
You don't need all the money. Just show them what it is. Come on, show them.
No, wait.
Kaya.
What?
Just show them. Pick it up. You give me this. Give me this.
Now.
You realize I can't.
How
If
this
you-
works?
You got to put the door on it. Hold on.
Put this.
Hold on. Hold on.
And
First of all, it has a door that locks from the front.
I
See?
want bubble gum.
wait.
Bubble gum, Dada.
Yeah, hold on.
We do
See, look.
1 0.
Hold on.
And we get 1.
Let me stop this thing because